Don't let one bad bulb ruin the bunch. Replace it in a few simple steps. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Deandra, and today we're going to replace a holiday light bulb and fuse. Let's get to fixing. Today we're going to focus on incandescent lights, not LEDs. How you can tell a difference. Incandescent lights are warm to the touch. LEDs stay cool. You may have just one bulb out. How you can tell is if the bulb is smoky or the wire's bent. First step, and it's a big one, unplug the lights after marking your bulb. I like to mark it with some blue painter's tape. Now that we found the troublemaker, let's pop out the bulb where the light is split. Next, we're going to fold the metal prongs up, take the plastic cover off, and now we're going to replace the bulb. Now we're going to fold the metal prongs down, pop it back in, and push down and make sure it's tight. Plug it in, and we're good as new. Most holiday lights like to come with replacement bulbs, and I like to tape them to the end so they don't get lost. Let's say the whole string of lights still isn't working. Rather than throw the whole thing out, let's replace the fuse. First step, let's unplug it. Now we pop the replacement fuse in, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Maybe you don't have time to play detective. This Light Keeper Pro tool is seriously next level. You can find a full how-to video on Lowe's.com. Ooh! Now I can feel the holiday spirit. Make sure to like, comment, and share, and let me know what we should DIY next.